Hey guys, today we're going to make some salmon flavored jalapeno poppers on the AS350P from Asmoke right after this.
He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on a grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
All right guys, so it's a beautiful day out here today, but it's like 84, 86 degrees and the humidity is pretty high. That's why I'm cooking here in the garage. I would love to be out in the backyard, but it's simply too hot out there, even in my little pavilion tent, okay? The garage is much cooler, so. Okay, well that's enough of that. So what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be making some large jalapeno poppers utilizing salmon flavors, okay? And come on closer and I'll show you our ingredients. All right, guys, so here are all the ingredients that we're going to be using today. Okay, we have 8 large jalapenos, and these are pretty big jalapenos. We have 7.5 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. This is the smoked salmon flavored. We have chicken of the sea, wild caught pink salmon, skinless and boneless. We got 2 packs of those, and these are 5-ounce packs. And then we have some smoked salmon. It's a piece, a thinly sliced piece of smoked salmon that we're going to lay on top of each one of the jalapeno poppers instead of wrapping it in bacon. All right, guys, so that's the ingredients that we're going to use. Now we're going to go ahead and put this all together and get it on the Asmoke. All right, guys, so our jalapeno poppers have been on for an hour and 45 minutes. I think it's time to take them off. They're looking fantastic, even the ones with the bacon. Looking really, really good. Cannot wait to have a taste test. So let's go ahead and pull these bad boys off. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and have our taste test now. As you saw, I did end up wrapping a few of them with bacon just so I can see what it tasted like with the salmon. But I'm gonna go ahead and get one with the bacon and one without. And we cooked these to the point to where the jalapenos was really, really tender. I'm gonna cover this back up so Joe and the flies won't get their piece. All right. So, and I know jalapeno poppers, you're supposed to go ahead and pop them in your mouth, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. So, now the salmon that we put on top of the salmon cream cheese mixture was already smoked. So we just added a little bit more smoke to it. And it's really kind of dried out and it's almost like a little piece of bacon on top of this. So, all right, let's have a taste test. It smells fantastic. It's really good. The salmon flavored cream cheese is excellent with the salmon from the Star Kiss packs. That tastes really good. Only thing I would do a little bit more is add some more of that Chef Paul's salmon mixture to it because it could use a little bit of more salt and pepper or either add a little SPG to it. But it tastes fantastic. The little piece of salmon on top of the jalapeno is crispy, so it almost acts like bacon. So if you got people who don't eat meat or who can't eat meat, making these salmon jalapeno poppers should do the trick. It would be fantastic for them. All right, let's see how it tastes with an added piece of bacon. The bacon is nice and crispy. Asmoke did a good job on that. Now, what we did was we started out at 250 degrees for the first 45 minutes, and I cranked it up to 350 degrees for the last 45 minutes. So these been on for about an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes, and the bacon is definitely done. It doesn't take long for the salmon to get done, okay? So, and I did get some char on my jalapenos without opening up the sear grates, so that's fantastic, okay? All right, let's see what this tastes like with the bacon. Man, that's really, really good. And the statement, bacon makes everything better, is definitely not an understatement. Now, if you want to take these over the top, go ahead and put your salmon mixture together and then wrap them with bacon. And we also hit this with a little bit of dill. Man, it makes it's fantastic, man. It's off the chain. So definitely be doing these for more get-togethers and parties. So got to have another bite. Well, that's about it. That's all we have time for today. Hey, this little AS350P should be coming out sometime this year from the folks at Asmoke. If you guys are interested in knowing the difference between the 350 and the 300, then I'll put an iCard up here. You can check out my initial review of this smoker here. This is a prototype that we've been testing out for Asmoke. But you can do this cook here on any smoker, okay? And any of them should work out just fantastic, all right? So, hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If there's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Cheers.